What's up, everybody? Wild Blockchain Academics. I'm super excited today because we're finally back at it. As you can see behind, got the green screen, we got the large Tony Robbins poster there, do some other content. Regardless, we are back. And just in time for the biggest bull market that we are about to see. So what I wanted to share with you guys, we're going to do a video on Bybit right now because where I trade BitMEX has restricted Ontario residents, and I'm trading from Ontario and I'm trading from other areas as well. So when I get here, when I log into BitMEX, they see that my IP is from Canada and whatnot, and then I'll get banned. So not only do you get banned, but then the positions you're in, you can't really manage them, and you can't even take positions. So the next exchange, I've done my research, and a lot of volume is on Bybit as well. I will be trading on Bybit. So I got a lot of people on BitMEX, and you know what I tell people, if you sign up on Bybit, you join our trading community, let's start trading together. We'll go over some tactics, we'll go over some strategies and whatnot, and let's start trading some crypto, especially when we're moving into the largest bull market ever. So right now you can get $500 bonus signing up with Bybit. You'll come here, I'll put this in the description below, but go basically to your reward hub. If you don't have a Bybit account, you can sign up below. If you sign up below using our link, not only will I give you guys the strategy we use, but also you'll save, I think, 30% of fees, and then you can win $500. I don't want to say win $500. You'll get rewarded $500 maximum and $50 at minimum, plus they have a lot of other rewards. So what you'll do is you'll make an account with Bybit. After you've made your account, you'll come to the promotions and you'll go to reward hub. You'll come here where the voucher code is, you'll put win 500 and you'll click redeem. They also have like $5 social media, $50 first deposit, and then $20 for a Bitcoin over. And then they have a lot of giveaways that they're doing, and they're always doing contests. So that's pretty much it on the the sign up end and the bonus end. Make sure you try and get as much money as you can from these guys for free. We're going to go into the trading. Well, first you'll go into your account, you'll go to my assets, and then you can actually send crypto just like any other exchange. You'll go deposit, and then you'll send your crypto here. And with me doing these tutorials, I'm always the target, and a lot of people try to hack me. So make sure that you sign up with an email that nobody knows about, and you're very low key about this. So very similar way to fund your account like in all exchanges. And we'll move to the trading back end of this right now. So you can see you can use BTC, USD, ETH, EOS, and XRP, and then against the USDT they have BTC, ETH, Link, LTC, and XTZ. So let's go to BTC, and that's usually what I'm trading anyways, BTC and XRP. Basically anything that shows me an opportunity, I'll trade, but I am stacking Bitcoins, and we're trying to get as many people into Bitcoin as we can. So I'll use TradingView with any exchange I'm trading. This is where I chart. We've been saying that I think that Bitcoin's going to hit 17.3K before we see like a pullback, and it's honestly just been bulling. So you can come here. This is the graph, but like I said, I like to use TradingView. All my indicators are on there, and everything's set up to my liking there. You can come here. You have your leverage. You can do up to 100x leverage, like BitMEX. So you got you gamblers out there, you crazy people. You could do the 100x. So if you're going to do cross or isolated, if you do isolated, you can pick what your leverage going to be. So you can see when you're clicking from next leverages, it says like from the 1 to 2 to 3, it tells you each contract can use one leverage consistent across all active orders. So if I take a trade now at 10x leverage, and I take a next trade, let's say tomorrow, and I'm trying to move it to 5x leverage, it'll move the original trade I took to that leverage. So you need to be very careful because it'll change your liquidation price. So if you're close to getting liquidated and you try to use less or more leverage, you're going to change all your orders, and that can be bad because I could liquidate you, for example, if you're very close to that liquidation, or if you try to throw a lot more leverage that you don't have simply. So it's just warning you. Or isolated, if you know what you're doing, keep it under 10x, you know what I mean? I wouldn't go be doing anything crazy. You can definitely trade 25, 50, and 100x, but I would definitely, I would want to make sure you're kind of positive, which nobody is positive on where Bitcoin is going. So if you're using isolated, that's just like isolated. It's not your whole balance. Your whole balance isn't on stake. It's just what you put here. So let's say we put $1,000 and we're going 10x. I'm only using about $100. So you can see that. But if I'm using 100x and confirm, you can see now that the order value is a lot less. Wait, is that the same? Okay, the order value is that, but what you're actually putting up. So the order value is actually going to stay the same, but how much Bitcoin you're actually putting in relation will change. But you do always see the order value. Like I said, I just came from BitMEX. I'm going to start using this. I've used Bybit before, but I was using BitMEX like religiously, like every day. Like BitMEX was my thing, but they banned Ontario users, and Bybit is the next best thing with the most volume, and I'm comfortable using them. If you're going to go to cross, you're essentially putting your whole balance at risk. You're basically going 100x, and it'll give you like the room to add to the orders, take orders off. And basically, you definitely need to know what you're doing with cross. You want to be using your stop losses because you have your whole balance basically at stake. It uses your whole balance, and it'll give you that that flexibility to add trades. And this is just the first video to onboard people onto Bybit and let people know that we're using BitMEX to start using Bybit and their $500 that they're offering. But we're going to do like Bybit tutorials on how to buy, how to sell, how to long and short, all that great stuff. You can buy long with a TP and SL, so that's take profit and stop loss, and you can sell as well, take profit and stop loss. So which I highly recommend doing, because when you're looking at a trade, this is where we're at now, this is where you think we're going to be, and then you'll always have like, this is the stop loss, this is where I'm going to exit. And once you put a trade with all three of those, like your order, your stop loss, your take profit, you can walk away. You're not going to change your metrics, your trade, you're not going to change it. You're going to stick with your analysis. So I like that they do that, and that's pretty dope, to be honest. You have also down here post only, reduce only, and those, it speaks for itself. So we'll go to ETH as well. And then, yeah, I forgot to mention, just like BitMEX, you have market right here, which is just a market buy. You're buying at the next order. And then you have conditional, trigger prices and quantity. So if price hits X, buy this many units. Or if price, drops this many dollars, or if price reaches to this level, buy. Or you can use your stop loss like that if you didn't do it in the limit order, or take profits. So just wanted to do, a quick video on Bybit, on the $500 bonus, in that we will be moving from BitMEX, which we've already done, to Bybit, and we're going to start trading on Bybit every day religiously, and we're not going to miss the bull market or any, this is the best time to start. If you haven't, this can set you up for the rest of your lifetime. And Citibank this morning said, the analyst from Citibank thinks Bitcoin's going to hit 300K. So if you have any questions, reach out. We're going to be doing the daily analysis in the Discord, so it drop as many coins that we can do posted in the Discord, usually Bitcoin, usually the general market, and if we can do more, then we'll do more. We're going to do contests monthly, our podcasts, get some people on it, exchange owners, some great traders, all that great stuff, and we're going to do basically the altcoin and crypto analysis and breakdown, and basically teach you guys some strategies that you guys can use for the rest of your life, and basically just keep trading and stacking these Bitcoins. So that's pretty much it. Wanted to do a quick video on Bybit, get you guys over. If you guys have any questions, post them below, reach out, join the Discord. If you want to see anything specific, like I said, reach out, post it below, and we'll get on top of that. Aside from that, get your accounts ready, guys. This is like a once in a lifetime opportunity when Bitcoin goes from 20K to 50 to 100 to 300K. And like, you know, I'm more than ready for this right now. Just sold my side business. My baby just came. He's 2 weeks old today. And there's literally nothing else stopping me from hitting these trades with you guys. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out anything. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.